Namaste. Today's recipe is Hare Chane ki pakodi. Hara chana is also known as green chickpeas, cholia or bhurjangi. Comment down below by what name do you know this? Start by adding gram flour, turmeric powder and cumin seeds. It is considered as one of the oldest crops. Add ajwain, chili, ginger, garlic paste. And if you have, then you can also add rice flour or you can skip it. Into this goes salt and some chopped onions. Meanwhile, heat up some oil. Give this all a good mix. Gradually add water and make the batter. You don't have to add a lot of water because we have already added onions. Put this batter when the oil is hot enough. Hara chana is known to be super healthy. Fry this for a while and then flip and cook from both the sides. Reduce the flame to low and take out the pakoras when they are golden brown in color. Enjoy with your favorite chutney or ketchup. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.